Mamy tutaj mału. O, tam kurwa jakiś mądry wyprzedza. O, patrz! Poszedł! Nie wyrobił, poszedł, musiał pójść. O, patrz już! Patrz go! Już dzień dobry! Skoczyło się rumakowanie. Więc jak zapisujemy materiał i będzie na stopkach.
Hymnach alternatowa, Steel Dre oczywiście.
O.
Wybierając te kawałki.
I patrz, i już! I cyk! Jak mi przykro, no jak mi przykro! Ojojoj! Szczęśliwy kolega.
Go flying around me. Go flying around me.
Instant karma.
Wow, just get on through that red light there, Karen. Wow, just get on through that red light there, Karen.
Are you recording that?
Incredible. I looked at some of the stories on the site. A care doctor who's now working with the homeless, a cleaner whose life has been turned upside down. Are there stories that really stood out to you?
getting caught. You're so getting caught, you fucking idiot. I gotta watch this one. No. Yep, there you go. That's what you get for being an idiot.
Too. I went and listened to it after I watched the episode. It's not the song I would play at a birthday party. No. Probably not. But I love that song. People are gonna sneak off from this party, and they're gonna have some cake in the warehouse. The warehouse is the sneak site, clearly. Cake, but he's not even eating it. He said his tastes have changed. Now all he likes is baklava, which I thought was a really interesting thing to say because baklava is very, very sweet. Like if you've lost your sweet tooth, I mean, it's nutty. I love a baklava.
I do too. It's dense though. It's a dense, sugary treat.
I know.
Please?
And I often eat too much of it and I get a stomach ache because, you know, they give you a tiny piece and I'll eat like 5 of them because they're just so good.
Well, that's what happens with you. You're always like, Ange, look how cute. It's so tiny.
I know.
And then you're like, Ange, I have a stomach ache.
I know. Dwight, Holly, Michael.
Oh, he got him! Oh, that guy that took off and was trying to race me, he's now getting pulled over.